Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC P2713-7E, indicates a specific issue with the continuously variable transmission, CVT, lockup clutch control solenoid valve in the Honda CR-V models from 2023 onwards. This error occurs when the solenoid valve is detected to be stuck in the on position, potentially leading to improper functioning of the torque converter. The torque converter slip ratio, which is vital for smooth driving, falls out of specification due to this malfunction. When such an anomaly is detected, the Transmission Control Module, TCM, triggers the DTC and stores it for further diagnostics. Understanding the functioning of the CVT lockup clutch control solenoid is crucial for effective troubleshooting. This solenoid, integrated within the valve body assembly of the transmission, plays a vital role in managing the application of the lockup clutch, which connects the engine directly to the wheels to enhance fuel efficiency during certain driving conditions. The DTC P2713-7E specifically references the CVT lockup clutch control solenoid valve, which is essential for regulating the engagement of the lockup clutch in the Honda CR-V's continuously variable transmission system. The primary role of this solenoid is to either apply or release the lockup clutch, providing a direct connection between the engine and the transmission. This connection improves vehicle performance, particularly during highway driving, enhancing fuel efficiency by eliminating slippage between the torque converter and engine. If the solenoid fails and remains stuck on, this can restrict movement and disrupt normal vehicle functionality. The solenoid valve is integrated with the valve body assembly, which is located within the transmission housing. This central location of the valve highlights its importance, as any issues here can directly impact the transmission's operation and lead to the DTC being triggered. When diagnosing the DTC P2713-7E, several possible causes need to be considered. Electrical circuit faults can lead to improper voltage or signals being sent to the CVT lockup clutch control solenoid valve, causing it to malfunction. This could result from damaged wiring or poor connections within the harness, leading to the solenoid. Additionally, a faulty solenoid valve itself can be the result of wear and tear, electromechanical failures, or failure of the internal components. Internal transmission issues, such as low fluid levels or contaminations, can also impact the solenoid's operation. Understanding these potential causes is vital in determining the most accurate repair steps and restoring the transmission's intended performance. A systematic approach to troubleshooting can help clarify whether the issue is electrical, mechanical, or a combination of factors affecting the solenoid. The symptoms associated with DTC P2713-7E can present a variety of challenges for vehicle performance. Drivers may notice unusual engine behavior, such as the engine revving without a corresponding increase in vehicle speed. This is often indicative of the torque converter being unable to engage properly, reflecting the lockup clutch issue. Additionally, slipping transmission can occur, where the vehicle may unexpectedly lose power because the engine is disengaged from the wheels. Dashboard warning lights may also illuminate, including the check engine light or transmission warning indicator, alerting the driver to the existing issue. These symptoms, if not addressed promptly, can lead to more severe transmission problems and potentially costly repairs. Identifying these signs early can help ensure timely diagnostics and repairs, ultimately maintaining the vehicle's safe operation. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC P2713-7E is to start the engine of the Honda CR-V. This initial action is crucial as it allows the technician to assess the vehicle's operational state before proceeding with any further diagnostics or tests. After starting the engine, the technician should press the brake pedal firmly. This is an essential safety precaution to ensure the vehicle remains stationary, allowing for controlled diagnostic testing. The process of starting the engine and engaging the brake ensures that any subsequent steps can be performed safely without the risk of unintended vehicle movement during testing. Also, this sets the stage for verifying the operation of the transmission in specific modes, contributing to accurate troubleshooting. In the second troubleshooting step for DTC P2713-7E, the technician should shift the transmission into the neutral N position and then transition to the drive D position. Moving the transmission to neutral allows the technician to isolate the transmission system from the engine, helping identify if any issues persist without engine load. Following that, shifting into drive re-engages the transmission for operational testing. These shifts effectively allow for evaluation of the TCM's behavior during shifts and any abnormal responses that could aid in diagnosing the reported malfunction. This step is vital as it assesses how the TCM is responding to changes in drive mode, revealing the operational state of the lockup clutch control system. The third troubleshooting step involves releasing the brake pedal and then conducting a test drive in drive position. This step is critical as it puts the vehicle under real-world operating conditions, simulating the normal driving experience. The vehicle should be driven at speeds of 12 miles per hour or 20 kilometers per hour or below for a duration of at least 10 seconds, allowing the system to effectively assess the lockup clutch and the operation of the CVT. This test will help identify if the solenoid valve's behavior has improved or if the abnormality persists. Real-world testing helps capture responses from various dynamic driving situations, paving the way for a more accurate diagnosis of the solenoid operation and identifying if the DTC should be cleared or further action is needed. In the fourth step of troubleshooting for DTC P2713-7E, the technician needs to slow down the vehicle and come to a complete stop. This is essential for safely transitioning out of the driving mode back to stationary. After achieving a stop, the technician should turn the vehicle into the off-lock mode. Shifting to the off mode ensures that all systems are reset and prepared for the next phase of diagnostics. This step's significance lies in its role as a cooling-off period for the transmission system, allowing any heat-related issues to stabilize. It also allows the technician to prepare for a full repeat of the testing protocol, following through with a comprehensive verification of the lockup clutch control operations. The final troubleshooting step for DTC P2713-7E requires the technician to repeat all previous steps from 1 to 4. This repetition is essential for confirming the findings from the initial test sequence and validating whether any changes have occurred. By conducting the entire process again, it provides a secondary observation of how the CVT lockup clutch control solenoid behaves under the same conditions. This follow-up ensures the technician can establish consistency in the symptoms or find any discrepancies that may warrant further investigation. Consistent results can help determine if the problem is intermittent or if it persists under controlled conditions. Observation during these tests plays a critical role in directing the technician towards the appropriate repair or replacement steps should the DTC be confirmed. After completing the troubleshooting steps for DTC P2713-7E, the final repair verification focuses on ensuring that the CVT lockup clutch control solenoid valve is functioning correctly. This involves checking the electrical connections, confirming that the valve is no longer stuck in the on position and the system responds appropriately. It's critical to clear the DTC from the transmission control module, TCM, memory after verifying that repairs or adjustments have been made. Following this, a final test drive can confirm that the system no longer triggers the DTC and operational conditions meet manufacturer specifications. By systematically following this verification process, technicians can be confident that the repairs are successful and the vehicle operates safely. This step effectively concludes the troubleshooting methodology, ensuring that all standards are met before returning the vehicle to the driver. Preventive maintenance is crucial to avoid the recurrence of DTC P2713-7E and ensure the long-term health of the CVT system in the Honda CR-V. Regular inspection of the transmission fluid levels and quality is essential, as low or contaminated fluid can lead to issues in the lock-up clutch engagement. Ensuring that the fluid is clean and within the proper levels helps in maintaining optimal performance. Additionally, inspecting the wiring harness and electrical connections leading to the lock-up clutch solenoid is vital. Routine checks can identify wear or potential faults before they lead to significant issues or failure of the solenoid valve. Implementing a comprehensive preventive maintenance schedule will not only enhance vehicle performance, but also reduce the likelihood of future diagnostic trouble codes arising. In summary, the DTC P2713-7E indicates a malfunction within the CVT lockup clutch control solenoid valve in the Honda CR-V 2023+. By understanding the role of the solenoid and its impact on the torque converter operation, technicians can effectively diagnose and resolve issues that may arise. Following the structured troubleshooting steps allows for accurate identification of the root cause, leading to precise repairs. The implementation of preventive maintenance strategies, such as regular checks on transmission fluid and electrical connections, plays a key role in prolonging the life of the transmission system. Ensuring these practices are adhered to will help maintain vehicle performance and minimize the occurrence of diagnostic trouble codes in the future. Adopting a proactive approach to maintenance ensures that drivers can enjoy a safe and efficient driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.